been a long time since I made a video, like a couple months probably or better. And as you can see, the garage is empty. Except for that, which is junk. Now, you're probably wondering, what's going on? You said you're gonna do all this stuff. Well, I'm still planning on doing stuff. But, you know, life sometimes gets in the way. We're gonna be closing on a new house. And that house does not have a garage, but it will. I'm gonna build a shop out there. I got about an acre of land. I don't know if that's gonna happen this year, but I'll give it a shot. Either way, it's more secluded, less neighbors, more ability to do the things I want, a lot more freedom. So I bought a trailer. No more U-hauling for me. Got the Rampage up on there. She's pretty light. You know, no front clip, no engine. And since I haven't done a video, I figured I'd do a video of this. Something I wanted to do since I got it, and that is wash it. But I never could wash it because I couldn't get it out of the garage. Well, it's out of the garage. So I guess without further ado, I'll just start going at it. Before I get started, I'm going to just power wash the inside. I'm not worried about interior parts whatsoever. It's all junk. None of this is going to be used in the build. They'll probably have some kind of custom dash, and you know, the whole floor is rotten and going to get replaced, so not a big deal. Well, I think you get the idea. I'll come back when I got it clean, air quotes.